We love being out on our deck chair so much. We're sitting out there almost in the rain. Yeah, look at you. Look at you with your creamies on your nose. Yeah, with your creamies on your nose. Yeah. You must be getting raindrops. Anything to stay outside, huh? Where's my boy? He is in your deck chair. Yeah, you don't want to come in. No, you don't want to come in, do you? Who's that boy? Yeah, who's that? Was that thunder? No, that was a truck. It's a good boy. You're gonna get wet. Yeah, you're gonna get wet. You're gonna get wet.